Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to M.Shakir. Today we are discussing a very informative and very interesting field of computer science, that is AI, artificial intelligence. And with relate to the SAP, we will discuss in detail in this playlist that what is generative AI and what is its role in the field of SAP. So let's begin our first video. The topics covered in this video will be we will explore what is intelligence and what is artificial intelligence. And after that, we will find the classification of artificial intelligence, symbolic AI, and statistical AI. We will discuss in detail. And last but not least, we will find the relation between AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. So let's begin. First of all, the most important question, and what is intelligence? The ability to accomplish complex goal is called intelligence. That's the man who can solve a complex goals, who can solve a complex problem. Uh, we can say the man is very intelligent. So same as that, the definition of intelligence is to accomplish a complex goal is called the intelligence. The ability is called the intelligence. So the another definition, we can say that the ability to see patterns and predict outcome based on previous experiences. So every man have some experiences, and every man or any human being solution of the any problem, or any human being can plan according to the to his experience. So same as that, the ability to see patterns, it's mean that the patterns, the study of pattern, or the to memorize the pattern is and then predict outcome based on the previous experience. We can also say this the intelligence, because human being or the anything can predict the future or the solution of any problem based on the pattern. The next definition, we can say that the quality that enables an entity to function appropriately and with foresight in its environment. So it's mean that the if any entity, if any man or if anything has the ability to function appropriately and with foresight in its environment. If a man, if or any entity can behave, can respond to the appropriately, is we can say that this entity has the intelligence. So let's move on. What is artificial intelligence? The most buzzword in these days, artificial intelligence. Most of the people don't know what is artificial intelligence and how we can classify, how we can define the artificial intelligence. So um, for this, we can say that the intelligence exhibited by non-biological system is called artificial intelligence, because the intelligence which explore, which showed by the human, is very common, is very known for every human being. And we can say that the man is very intelligent if behave very appropriately and very accurately. And also, if a human being can solve complex problem easily, we can say that that it is the intelligence. So the intelligence which exhibit by a non-biological system, it's mean to say that the non-biological system are the machines or any type of device which shows the intelligence is called, we can say this the artificial intelligence. So it has the following classification: weak AI and the strong AI. The ability to accomplish a small set of goals, for example, a model that excel at classifying cat pictures cannot play games like chess, etc. It means that the machine which has the ability to achieve a small set of goals like classification of pictures, like the comparison of picture, or to study or to analyze um, to study or give the solution based on the pattern is called the VGI. But in this type of AI, it cannot play online games like chess, etc., which has some other ability need to do these games. Strong AI, the ability to understand and learn any intellectual task that a human being can, for example, driving, playing online games, etc. It's mean the ability, the we can say the artificial intelligence has the ability to understand and learn any intellectual task like human being. If any non-biological system or machine can do the work which the human perform easily, like driving, like boating, like swimming or playing online games. We will say that this machine has the strong AI. Let's move on. In the field of AI, we have two major fields. First one is symbolic AI, and the second is statistical AI. First of all, we are discussing the symbolic AI. It is a subfield of AI that focuses on the processes and manipulation of symbols or concepts rather than numerical data. Explicitly represent knowledge through rules, expert system, and deterministic programming. It means the machine which learn or which train from by using the symbols or concepts rather than the numerical data. We if we want to have a machine which have the symbolic AI, so we have to understand that it focuses the processing or the training of that machine which will be based on the symbols or concepts rather than the numerical data. Explicitly represent knowledge through user expert system and deterministic programming. So let's move on. Stat- Statistical AI. Statistical AI, also known as machine learning, is an approach that empowers machines to learn patterns and make predictions from vast amount of data. This means this in this field of statistical AI, the machine learning is based on the pattern pattern matching, and pattern recognizing. It's based totally on the pattern matching and pattern recognizing. After recognizing the pattern, after having the training to learn pattern, the machine or the model will the predict predict from the vast amount of data, because the model have a vast amount of data based on the pattern. If a new pattern, if a human or any machine shows or input any type of pattern, it will match to the pattern of its database and give the perfect give the perfect solution of this of its learning. For example, we are using a computer attendance machine. In this, these machine are recognizing the pattern of any employee, and it match with the pictures which are saved into its database. So, as a result of that, if the pattern of both pictures match, it shows the result that the employee exists. If it doesn't match the employee, it shows that the employee is not exist. So let's move on. Last but not least, we can compare both field of artificial intelligence in this way. Explicitly represent the symbolic AI is using the coding, the pattern, the condition, and the expert system, whereas the statistical AI is using the pattern training the data with the help of pictures, different pictures of cat, the different picture of dog. So machine learning after training of machine learning, the model will give prediction for any type of input give from the user. So, hope this initial input or this initial reference or definition you understand from my side. Let's meet into another new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.